Coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the National Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and what a cool place. If you've never been, put it on your list of things you want to do. Even if you're not that crazy about Corvettes, it's still a cool place to see automotive history. And one of the things that they had over there for a while was a display on Ed Roth, Big Daddy. And in this video, I got his 1956 F1 Ford pickup truck. He started out pinstriping, so this was a truck he started out in, and I thought y'all would want to see it. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a closer look at it. How about that? So Ed buys a truck brand new back in '56, I guess. It was Meadow Mist Green, and he built it or bought it for a work truck. He immediately brought it home and did this to it. I think it's pretty cool. Drew a lot of attention. Now, as far as performance, I couldn't get on the other side of the rail. I don't know what engine is in it. I would guess stock. It didn't mention anything about him changing it. Now, the truck has been redone. And the bizarre thing about the truck being redone is when they found it, they obviously wanted to restore it back to exact, condition it was brand new. So they took and got Robert Williams, who worked for Ed, to do the pinstriping on it. They took the truck, the pinstriping on the dash. He recreated all that Robert Williams did. They took the truck and painted it that Meadow Mist Green, first of all, and then painted over it with the white and the pearl and the flames. So how crazy is that? But very cool that you can see the truck that, back in the day. It's special now, but back in the day it was just a work truck. Something, it was all about marketing. I think that, from my research, that Ed had a grasp on marketing, that's for sure. He did a very good job at it. I dig the grill. I think that's cool. And you can still see the Meadow Mist Green up there in the vent. And because of the angle and it being in display, it's just hard to get a whole lot of unique, clean shots. But I did the best I could for it. I think you want to see it. And I, myself, wanted to record it for history. Like I said, I don't know when these things will be back on display again or if I'll ever have the opportunity to shoot videos of them. So I wanted to take advantage of that. There's a little information on the shop truck. And then I threw some information in too because silk screening was a big thing. Although Ed Dovies fancied himself as a designer, a car builder, he knew the real money was in silk screening, making t-shirts of those cars. And so that's exactly how it was set up when the last t-shirt was run in his shop. How cool is that? So there you go, from the National Corvette Museum, 1956 Ford F100 shop truck. Ed Big Daddy Roth's shop truck. Hope you all enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.